Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I make some ice cream. This is mango and coconut milk ice cream. The video for that one will be coming soon. Alright, but I'm gonna make a smoothie from all of this recipe where I have, because I have a little bit left back over. So basically I have some smoothie mix, but look at this recipe. Alright, and I'm going to put some of this smoothie mix inside of this blender. Alright, just like this, roughly about 3 tablespoons, because I'm not going to be making a lot. And then this is the mango, and look at this, mango and coconut milk ice cream. This is from Chef Ricardo. I made this a few days ago, but I have a little bit left back over, and I decided to make a smoothie from it. Alright guys, if you want to see the way I make this recipe, it will be on Chef Ricardo cooking show. Alright guys, so what we're going to do now is add a little bit of milk to it, not too much milk, roughly about a cup of milk. But it's a really fantastic recipe which I have, and I decided to share it with you guys. Let's put a little bit more of the ice cream inside of it. But if you doesn't have this kind of ice cream, you can use your favorite ice cream at home. So what I'm gonna do now is blend this for a nice good 3 to 4 minutes. Really nice, and the color, you will see exactly the color of this. And if it's a little bit too thick, to be honest, you know what to do. You know, sometimes I'm doing stuff, and you know what I mean, because I'm not measuring it, you know, it will still come out thick. But I just add a little bit more milk to it. That's all I have to do. But as I say, you can use any kind of ice cream you like to use. Nice, because I like the thickness of it. Lovely, and that is perfect. Lovely and nice. So I don't even need to blend this no more. I'm just gonna leave it right as it is, because it's perfect. So what we're gonna do now is just pour it out like this. Really fantastic recipe. Look at this. And this is exactly what you want to see. Alright guys, that is what you want to see, and that is really nice. So basically, if you never met this before, as I said, the video for the ice cream will be on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, because that's where I'm gonna post that video. And that's exactly what we're talking about. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. This is Chef Ricardo coconut milk and mango ice cream with mixed fruits and also milk smoothie. Enjoy the recipe. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe like this. This is from Chef Ricardo team, and don't forget, clicking the notification bell is very important, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.